How to add an empty column to a data frame? What's the easiest way to add an empty column to a pandas data frame object? The best I've stumbled upon is something like. Is there a less perverse method? If I understand correctly, assignment should fill.
To add to DSM's answer and building on this associated question, I'd split the approach into two cases. Adding a single column, just assign empty values to the new columns, for example dfc, equals np.nan. Adding multiple columns, I'd suggest using the .reindex columns equals method of pandas to add the new columns to the data frame's column index. This also works for adding multiple new rows with .reindex rows equals Note that newer versions of pandas, v. 0.20, allow you to specify an axis keyword rather than explicitly assigning to columns or rows. Here is an example adding multiple columns. Or, you can also always concatenate a new, empty, data frame to the existing data frame, but that doesn't feel as Pythonic to me. Smile.
I like. If you have an empty data frame, this solution makes sure that no new row containing only nan is added. Specifying dtype is not strictly necessary, however newer pandas versions produce a deprecation warning if not specified.
An even simpler solution is where header_list is a list of the headers you want to appear. Any header included in the list that is not found already in the data frame will be added with blank cells below. So if, then C and D will be added as columns with blank cells.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.